All right, let's go. Done?
लाहौर में डॉन न्यूज के नुमाइंदे दानियाल हसन से गुफ्तगू करते हुए शहबाज शरीफ ने कहा कि परवेज मुशर्रफ को दूसरे सियासतदानों की तरह फार्म हाउस के बजाय जेल में रखा जाना चाहिए था।
तो आपके बारे में कहा ही जा रहा है कि सियासतदानों को तो जेल में बंद कर दिया जाता है, मगर उनको किया कि उनके फार्म हाउस में। तो क्या कहना आपका इसके बारे में?
कानून की हुक्मरानी होनी चाहिए और कानून के नज़र में सबको बराबर होना चाहिए। ये तफरीक जो है, ये तफरीक से मैं समझता हूँ कि मुशर्रफ को कोई फ़ायदा नहीं पहुँचा।
Whatever decision that judge takes against Mr. Musharraf or is in favor, we'll accept that.
इमरान खान ने अपने इस जलसे से पहले डॉन न्यूज से खुसूसी गुफ्तगू की थी। एक बार फिर ये आपको गुफ्तगू दिखाते हैं।
Busy schedule for you right now after the election campaigns. As a father, are you missing your children? Do you speak to them? Do you think they want to come over here? How would you celebrate if you win?
The best celebration, of course, would be with my children, but unfortunately, they're not here.
दानियाल हसन इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। बराह रास्त हमारे ब्यूरो चीफ डॉन टेलीविजन के हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं लाहौर स्टूडियो से। उनसे हम बात करते हैं। दानियाल, इमरान खान साहब ने कहा कि सिक्योरिटी के इश्यूज हैं, लेकिन हम घर नहीं बैठ सकते, कैंपेन नहीं चला सकते, अपने बच्चों को मिस कर रहे थे वो इस हादसे से पहले। आप क्या आपने उनसे मुलाकात जो की, चंद लम्हे चंद मिनट उनके साथ बात की, आपके क्या तासुरात थे, वो किस मूड में थे जब जलसे में गए हैं?
जी मिस आसमा, जब उनसे मुलाकात हुई तो वो एक और निजी चैनल को इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे। उसके बाद उन्होंने हमें पंजाब में मुस्लिम लीग नून जो है उसको अक्सरियत हासिल होगी, खासतौर पर नेशनल असेंबली की सीट्स। इसके बारे में क्या कहना है आपका?
लेकिन ये तो उनके जैली सर्वे है और इस दफा आपको बड़ा सरप्राइज मिलेगा।
When I say taking credit for the slightest of development works, what I mean to say is that, for instance, even for the construction of the small passage, a special inaugural plate has been built to take credit for the work. I'm sitting on the roof of a building adjacent to the main compound where the shooters are hiding right now. The operation is underway. Behind these walls is the ground where the students were getting ready for the parade. Now, so of course, for all those trained men, all they had to do was climb this wall. It's an easy job, a little effort from them. Go to the other side. This is basically the Liberty Chalk, and if my cameraman pans to the right, this is where you can see that white vehicle, and over there, that is where the exact spot where the convoy of the Sri Lankan cricket team was targeted. Take the players to a safer place. That's the reason they couldn't stop, fight those shooters. There's a gap between the barricades and the crater. So do you think the attackers might have killed those police officials deployed on the barricades, moved the vehicle on the spot where the main gate of the intelligence agency's office is, and of course C-15 office, and that's where the explosion took place? Do you think there's a possibility like what I'm saying?
It's absolutely correct whatever you're saying, and your analysis is absolutely correct. When they reached here, two guys got off, they started indiscriminate firing, they paralyzed the first line of defense.
Although relief work is underway, victims of Gojra feel deprived of the complete rights of being citizens of Pakistan. As the rest of the country celebrates Independence Day, the Christian community in Gojra remain negative. They, however, say that if the government is willing to fill in the loopholes of the country's religious and ideological differences, then perhaps the national flag will replace these flags of regret. यहाँ पे जो public transport की possibility है कि वो उसमें बैठ के आए हो जिससे security team पे check ना हो सका हो, different check post possibility है कि वो public transport बैठ के आए.
दानियाल, this is very smart. This is very smart. ये आपकी बात बड़ी अच्छी और स्मार्ट बात है कि जैसे हम लोग उनको डेटर करने के लिए स्ट्रेटजी बनाते हैं तो वो हम लोगों को काउंटर करने के लिए बनाते हैं.
The Christian community in Gojra feels that after failing to protect their lives and belongings, the authorities now are not even showing motivation regarding relief goods. They fear that those responsible for this violence will come back again and hunt them just in the name of religion.
Let's take a look at this report by Danial Hassan. He put it together while he was in Ziyarat covering the incident.
There were two major tremors early Wednesday morning around 4 a.m. The first tremor was nothing as compared to the second one in magnitude. But what the first tremor did was warn these people. It served as a warning sign. They came out of their houses right away, sat in the open with their women and children in the cold weather, and they waited for the second tremor because they knew that if something comes again, they will be in deep trouble. सैलाब ज़दगान को वापस अपने घरों को लौटे तकरीबन 1 महीना हुआ चला है, मगर सैलाब ज़दा इलाकों में सैकड़ों घर तबाह होने की वजह से लोग खुले आसमान तले रहने पर मजबूर हैं। दरियाए सिंध में तौसा बैराज के पास ये बंद सैलाब के दौरान टूटा, जिसकी वजह से न सिर्फ सैकड़ों एकड़ अराजी कटाव का शिकार हुई, बल्कि हज़ारों एकड़ पर फैली फसलों और लोगों के घर बार भी ज़ेर-ए-आब आ गए। We came from Multan yesterday and we found a lot of containers, a lot of resistance from the government. Do you think that will stop the lawyers or the political parties to actually head towards Islamabad? And if that is the case, what is your next strategy?
Nothing will stop the lawyers. Nothing will stop the lawyers. Nothing will stop the people of Pakistan.
Danial, have you seen this kind of crowd before in Lahore?
Right now, I can tell you that this is the largest gathering after the 5th of May 2007 of the general public. Sarabjit Singh has conveyed this message to the Indian government.
According to the Press Trust of India, suffered cardiac arrest, though we're told by the Dawn Group's Danial Hassan that the decision was taken last night at Jinnah Hospital to remove him from ventilator support.
Even though Pakistan is accusing India right now, they still are willing to play against India and in India.
You know, the problem arises that because of the security reasons, game always takes place in open place.
While Sabra awaits her fate, the nurses and doctors at the hospital are sharing the expenses of her food and clothing. With time, the chances of finding the parents of this abandoned infant are dying, and so is the hope of her having a wholesome childhood.
दी मुनीब का रिजल्ट फर्स्ट डिवीजन में आया है, कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं आप?
मुझे खुशी तो हुई है, लेकिन मैं उसे कुछ दे नहीं सकी।
Because most people in this village cannot afford to pay gas bills worth thousands of rupees, gas supply to their houses is likely to be disconnected, which means they will have to turn to primitive way of cooking.
If and when this project is completed, it will not only add to Lahore's list of remarkable monuments, but will also remind the people of this country about the hardship and sacrifices made during the struggle for independence. Majority of the traders in Lahore, thousands of shopkeepers are observing a strike right now, condemning the attack at Moon Market, Lahore.
Ditches, potholes. In general, a dug-up Lahore is evident to all its residents. The detours, traffic jams, damaged cars would be a huge issue in itself.
These issues were long-standing. In fact, they were present from the very beginning.
The Gormandi Food Street is not about finding a wide variety of food in one street, but it's finding the true essence of Lahore in a matter of few minutes. But now the efforts of various designers and the students of NCA can no longer be seen, because the government has turned off the lights of the project.
ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਨਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਝ साबुन शाबुन मिला रहे हो?
साबुन, शैम्पू।
जी मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूँ लाहौर में और ये फिलहाल लाहौर नहीं लग रहा है, ये लग रहा है कि हम मरी में इस वक्त मौजूद हैं।
Well, earlier these black bugs were afraid to come nearby because of the visitors, but now they've come in dozens because it's their lunchtime. As you can see, it's an amazing sight over here. It's beautiful.
They loved him, but they've finally given him the award. How's the feeling, sir?
Well, obviously it's great, but I must say when I received the green cap, that was something else.
आपका ख्याल है कि ये प्रोपेगेंडा है या कोई हकीकत है इसमें?
पंजाबी में कहते हैं कुछ शहर दे लोग भी ज़ालिम सन, कुछ सानू भी मरन दा शौक भी सी।
Do you want to visit any place in Lahore? Obviously, the next time you come, maybe.
Well, I'd like to just go out on the street, yeah, to start with.
आज है ब्राइडल कोटियो वीक का डे 3 यानी ग्रैंड फिनाले। आज के मेन डिज़ाइनर्स कौन होंगे और आज के मेन हाइलाइट्स क्या हैं हम बात करेंगे मेरे को होस्ट हिना सईद से। हम मौजूद हैं बैक स्टेज पे सुपर मॉडल एंड माय पर्सनल फेवरेट मॉडल ईमान अली, उनसे हम बात करेंगे आज के शो के बारे में। ईमान, आपके फेवरेट डिज़ाइनर कौन से आ गए?
Why didn't you add actress?
ओके, माय फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस as well। हिना में बताइए आज कौन कौन से डिज़ाइनर्स अपने ब्राइडल ड्रेसेस शोकेस कर रहे हैं?
Your favorite Daniel, Iman Ali?
Absolutely, Iman Ali. She rocked. She was there for a short while, but she did excellent. Absolutely remarkable.